Hello future doctors, welcome back to Lincoln American University channel. Today we are going to talk about very crucial topic that every medical student who is willing to practice in United States must know, the USMLE attempt limits and time restrictions. Do you know that USMLE step has a limit on number of attempts one can take? Here's the information. If you have attempted a step 4 times or more and still haven't cleared, then you would no longer be able to apply for that step or proceed with the USMLE sequence, and it also includes the incomplete steps you have attempted. And here's an important information. Any attempt you made at step 2 CS would count towards your total. However, the step 2 CS no longer part of the exam, but it will add towards your total. To simply put, if you have tried and haven't passed a step in 4 or more attempts, then it's time for you to consider a different pathway, as you are no longer eligible to proceed with the USMLE sequence. Now I know this sounds a bit daunting, but this limitation is only to encourage you before every attempt. Take time to master each step and seek resources and ask for guidance if needed. Every attempt matters, so let's make each one count. At Lincoln American University, we'll support you with the resources, mentorship and guidance at every step, as our goal is not just to pass the exam but to prepare you for your future medical career. If you have any questions, please drop them down in the comments below or reach out to us. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for more essential videos on your journey to becoming a doctor.